Good morning, sports fans. Progress on the Cessna 195 is slow but sure. I've had a couple of setbacks, but nothing I couldn't deal with. Rivets and panels are coming out very satisfactory. Weather's going to warm up next week. In fact, forecast is for the 50s. And although I'm spraying with latex, you still want to ventilate the place. And the garage at 50 degrees is good. You notice on the wings, I put some white primer on there. Well, it turns out that the latex covers better than the white primer, so I'm going to skip that step on the rest of the paint job. There's some clear coat on the elevators. Horizontal fin is that'll be clear coated as well as the whole airplane. Now here's my setback. Some of you may recall that I sent out a picture of the fin with the graphics on it. Well, I broke it. So I had to do it over. In this hobby, you got to be willing to do it to get it right. And then to really get it right, you got to be able to do it again. Anyway, I expect to get into the paint booth next week, and I'll send everybody out a short video on what it looks like when it's all got some color on it.